Hey everybody, welcome back to Crafted Made Easy. This is a quick tutorial on how to apply some vinyl to a makeup purse. Stand by. Okay, so the items you will need is, of course, a design. I already printed this one out and put it on the transfer tape. And then I was like, oh, you know what? Let me make a quick video on how to apply it in case somebody is out there wondering how to do it. You need a little clutch or like a little purse. This is like a little pleather purse from Michaels. They are out of stock. I brought this like in the summertime when they were on clearance. And then you'll of course need transfer tape. So this one is already weeded out and ready to be placed on the bag, but I did forget to put a word on there, which was pray. So I'll show you really quick on how to weed that out. This one is pretty simple because it is like really simple. I don't know if you can really see that, but this one you just kind of pull it up. And I do not remember where I got this vinyl from. It might be Cricut. I don't know where I got this vinyl from. I really don't know. I bought it like a long time ago, so I really do not know where I got this, but it's like thick. So I printed on the holographic setting on Cricut, so it will be able to print through. But like you see, that was really quick to weed, and most times it just kind of pops up the pieces that need to be taken off. They kind of just pop up. All right, then you'll need your transfer tape. This is transfer or contact paper that I got from the dollar store. So it was just $1, and it's basically called contact paper. It's called clear contact or magic cover, and you use it to put like the, I can't think of it, like the contact paper, the contact paper on shelves and stuff like that. So it works really, really good, and it's only $1. And just kind of use my little Cricut branding thing, go over it. And then I like to go on the back because, like I said, this vinyl is kind of thick, and sometimes it doesn't want to stick to the transfer paper. Easy peasy. So you'll take your bag. And for most projects, you will wipe it down with alcohol. I did not wipe the bag down with alcohol because I don't really see it making any difference in the vinyl sticking. This is not the first bag I made. I made one that had gold font on it because the zipper was gold. This zipper is silver, so that's why I'm putting the silver font on it. But on that one, I didn't wipe down the bag either. And the vinyl stuck on there very, very well. So this is permanent vinyl. You want to make sure you have a permanent vinyl. Otherwise, your design will lift off, and the person you're giving it to, or if you're using it yourself, it won't last. So please use permanent vinyl. So next, you'll just kind of just lay your design on the bag as such. And I gotta kind of look at the picture on my computer to see where I want it to lay. So if you don't remember how you print out your design, it's always best to have like the computer or whatever you use, your tablet, your phone, or something beside you, so you'll be able to kind of see exactly the way you wanted it to lay. So I think I want that there. Oop, got stuck to my Cricut. And then I want that there. Alright. And I got lucky because sometimes it wants to stick to the object before you're kind of ready for it to kind of stick. Alright, so okay, yeah, I think that's where I want it. Oh no, see, you see how my Y is trying to stick, but I just went the other way and I was able to pull it up. Alright, so you just kind of go over your design. Let's stick that back over there. And then you just remove your transfer tape. And the K, sometimes you'll have letters that won't stick. Just kind of go over it slow. And you can reuse the transfer tape. So unless it's like gunky and has a lot of like stuff on it, you can reuse it again. So I just kind of stick it to something clean so I can put it back on the paper. Oh, this one was laying on there for a minute. Oh no, I think my S is stuck. There we go. Sorry about the awkward silence. I was trying to concentrate. Alright, because this purse is for a customer, so I want to make sure I had it lined up. And there we go. Simple as that. And it does have like a little halo to it, but not too much. But that's it. It's probably backwards in the camera, but it's as simple as that. You print your design out. You print it on 651 vinyl, so that's permanent vinyl, and then you just stick it to your item, and that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos. All right, everyone, until next time, peace.